Good morning. My lace has been on my head for about a week now, and it finally lifted completely to where I can pull it off. So I'm going to take my lace off, clean it, and reinstall it. And I just wanted to bring you guys on this journey with me. This is a unit from Allie Grace, and it's a 5x5 closure unit. I want to say that the hair is body wave. I could be wrong. It could be straight hair because I curled it initially, and then after that I just twisted every night and it stayed curled. The hair is really, really, really full. I have no shedding. I haven't combed it. So if you see me like struggling to get through it, it's because I just been neglectful. So I just wanted you to get a look at it. It's super dirty right now, but I'm going to clean it and reinstall it, and you guys will be able to see how I do that. So I'll be back.
Okay, so this is the wig and it is untouched. I just took it off my head. I am going to use a spray bottle with nothing but water in it and just wet the front of the closure. I don't really have a real reason as to why I do this. It just works for me. So then I take alcohol. Right now I only have 70%, so that's what I'm using. I put it on a rag, and I have this little technique. So I basically take my fingers, I put one on the bottom of the closure, one on the top, and I rub from the bottom. For me, this works because it's not like putting so much strain on the hair on the top of the closure, but it is working the glue out of the like lace or whatever, and that's ultimately what we need for our closure to be clean. So basically that's what I'm doing. I just place my one finger on top, one finger on the bottom, and I just scrub the bottom, and eventually all of the glue and yuckiness comes from out of the bottom of the closure. And I do this all the way across the hairline until it's completely clean, and I literally only use alcohol and water. Any of that residue you see is just the makeup coming off the closure. So yeah, that's all I do. And I just wanted to show you guys how like quick and easy it is for anyone to do this. Like, you don't have to pay someone, go get it reinstalled and all that, especially if it's like a wig or something. Take it off, clean it yourself, and learn how to put it back on. We have to be versatile and independent in times like such, because today you can go to the hairstylist and tomorrow you can't. We just never know. Times have gotten extremely crazy.
I am about to very quickly reinstall my unit. I did re-add the makeup on the hairline. I did that off camera, and I also wanted to tell you guys that I'm not styling the unit. I literally did this just to show how I clean and reinstall. Like, for styling purposes, I will just style it later. I'm not doing anywhere. I'm not doing anything. I'm not going anywhere. Like, I don't know about y'all, but I'm stuck in the house. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and reinstall the closure unit, and this is basically what I'll do. I don't have an outlet right here to actually blow dry it, so I'm gonna spray, go blow dry, spray, go blow dry, just for the sake of time and everything else. Okay, so this is what my unit looks like after I cleaned it and reapplied the makeup. As I said, I'm not styling it, so there are no molded baby hairs or anything like that, and the way it was when I took it off. And this video is really just to show you guys how easy it is to clean the wig without having to wash the whole wig and dry it and restyle it. That is not necessary when using like a gel or a spray. Now, if you're using glue, it is not this easy. It is not this easy. So yeah, this is literally for like Gotta Be or Bedhead or any other like holding spray that you can use that will actually hold the unit down. So yeah, I just want you guys to see what it looks like. I gotta respray that across the front. Make sure it's not leaking. And I'm gonna go blow dry, and I'm gonna do this twice. Okay, so I went and blow dried this a little more. And basically, this is what I get. Like a real quick, real quick one too. So like, but I just wanted you guys to see how quick and easy it is to like clean your lace and reinstall, like during the week, or just like when you're in a hurry and you know you don't have time to actually take the lace off, wash everything, restyle the hair. It's just like it can be exhausting. So yeah, this is my quick little net on how I get it done. And yeah, I usually just tie it up with something, but I'm not going anywhere. I do want you guys to kind of get a feel of the hair. Sit back there and show you. And yeah, it's quick, convenient, and damn, I feel like anyone can do it. So okay, so I hope this little small video was very helpful for you in regards to just trying to get accustomed to this wig life. And I just think that these hacks are important for people trying to look good while doing this themselves. It is not easy to adjust to, especially when you're just not used to doing your own hair, but I'm here to try to make this a little bit easier for you. So if you did enjoy the video, please leave me a comment below. If you didn't, still leave me a comment below. Let me know what you don't like. If you just like my content, you can also hit the subscribe button at all times. It's never leaving. It's always going to be there. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys later.